Hey y'all, I'm going to show you how to bake the perfect cookie every time. My name is Chef Fred and welcome to today's video. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back and checking our channel out. If you are new here, welcome. We are glad to have you. Okay, so on this one you can see it says $3.75 or it's $3.50 if you're going to use a dark non-stick coating sheet, and that's very important. So there are three things that you need to look at. One is the cookie sheet, whether it is a dark cookie sheet or a light colored sheet, and whether it's coated or not. So if we're going to use the dark color one, we know that we need to adjust the temperature. The second thing that we need to make the perfect cookie is the oven thermometer. Okay, so if it says 350, we want to look in on the thermometer and see that the temperature of the oven, the thermostat, is actually set at what, calibrated at what it's supposed to be calibrated at. And the third thing is the cookie scoop. And what this does is ensures that every cookie is the same size, because if you have one cookie that's thicker than another cookie, bigger than the other cookie, the small cookies, of course, going to burn before the other cookies get done. So consistency in that is very important. Okay, so here's the pro tip. If you, the instructions say to cook the cookies for 10 to 12 minutes. So the first batch, I would cook them for about 10 minutes to see how they're going to turn out. And then each batch after that, you're going to look at the thermometer in the oven and see, because when you open the door, you're going to let some cold air in, and that's going to adjust. But you want to make sure that your oven doesn't heat the oven up, 25 more degrees, while it's cooking. So look at it and see if the thermometer is at 350 and 10 minutes wasn't enough, go for the 12 minutes. Now, if you put your next batch in and you notice that the temperature has dropped, say the temperature's dropped to 325, then you need to let your cookies stay in for a minute or two longer. And if the thermometer has gone up, say it's gone to 375 or it's going on up, then you need to take the cookies out at maybe 9 minutes. So you kind of learn as you cook the cookies as far as the temperature that it needs to be on and your time, how those two adjust up and down in relationship to each other. So when you put them in the oven to bake, set a timer, and then when the timer goes off, pull the cookies out and let them sit on the cookie sheet for 3 to 4 minutes before you pull them off and put them on a cooling rack. And then let them sit on the cooling rack and completely cool before you serve them. I hope that this little segment has helped you to learn more about how to make the perfect cookie every single time, and that you enjoy this and come back and visit us again on this channel for more good information and good cooking skills. This is Chef Fred. Until next time, go cook something great.